You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got more runners. Here they are, the Nike Vomero V5 in the Photon Dust, Chrome, and Gridiron colorway. But before we jump into this episode, I want to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery in Westlake, San Francisco. If you're ever in the San Francisco area, make sure you swing by for all your Jordan and Nike needs. They drop shoes weekly, got a bunch of cool kicks over there. And the good thing about 85 Gallery is they do first come, first serve. You don't have to worry about taking an L on a raffle, going into stores, filling out raffles for tickets, and they never call you back for your best shot. Follow them on Instagram so you can stay up to date for all the drop information, so you know where to be, what time, what date, and we'll put their Instagram in the links below. Here they are, the Nike Vomero 5 in the Photon Dust, Chrome colorway. The shoe's predominantly mesh with a lot of synthetic leather overlays and chrome. And taking us to the tongue right here, you have a mesh tongue, has this little Nike tag at the top, Nike Vomero 5, piping nylon laces, and more breathable mesh towards the toe box. You have a leather mud guard right here at the bottom of the toe with 3M hits on both sides. And taking us to the side paneling of the shoe, you got more chrome overlays and chrome swooshes. Pretty cool, pretty vibrant. Has a nice pop to it. Behind the chrome swooshes are these rubber side panels right here that hold the shoe intact, giving you a little stability. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have this plastic piece on the heel cup to hold your foot in place. You got a black Nike swoosh at the top with more 3M hits on both sides. So if you're running at night in the dark, people can see you when they shine the light on you. Taking us down to the midsole, you have this cream Cushlon midsole with a little hit of Gridiron, which to me looks like a dark, deep midnight navy, almost black, but there's a little hue of navy to it. Taking us down to the outsole, you have that classic waffle traction, which Nike was known for when they first came out. For those of you who don't know, the Vomero 5 released back in 2010, and it was mainly seen as a technical runner, and it was favorable because of its lightweightness and all the cushion. You have Zoom Air in the forefoot and the heel, plus it had the little aspect of Cushlon. When I used to work retail, I sold a bunch of these shoes. They later retroed in 2018 in some brighter colorways, and they did a collaboration with the Cold Wall. They sat for a little bit, they ended up selling out. People wanted to get them after. Fast forward to 2023, they brought them back out in an array of other colorways as well. This one right here is the chrome colorway, but they did some earth tones and dusty grays. I think Nike knows that this is one of their more comfortable running shoes. If you've been a Nike head all your life and you wanted a gray shoe that was very comfortable, but you didn't want to jump ship to the competitors, you might want to get yourself a Vomero 5 because it's going to have that same comfort, and it's gonna be around the same price point, and you get to stay with Nike if you have brand loyalty like that. As far as sizing goes, these are a 9.5. I went true to size, they fit great. If you want a little bit of extra room in the toe box, you could get a 10, but I think they'll break in nicely because of the loose mesh material, so you shouldn't have a problem there. Even as far as width goes, it's a pretty wide shoe, but not too wide. It just checks off all the boxes that you would need for a technical runner, and for comfort, can't really go wrong. Release date on these is February 22nd. They're dropping on sneakers and other websites, or if you're in the area, South San Francisco, Daly City, San Francisco, make sure you head on over to 85 Gallery in the Westlake Shopping Center on Wednesday, February 22nd. They will be doing first come, first serve for the Vomero 5. Let us know how you guys feel about the shoe below. Is this something that you guys are interested in picking up? Do you like technical runners? Do you hope Nike brings these back in other colors as well? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you guys. But let's go ahead and try these on.
This is C-Rock type beat for real. Come on. Yeah. I'm a chill guy to get along with, get on a song with, tryna bubble up like the water in the bong grips. The heart and soul of the team on some Draymond shit, strong shit, get game crazy, that fade long shit. Back in some newest sneakers, you know who the leaders. I might pull up in the two-seater, bump and do a leaper. Send me 5 bands and I probably do your feature. Whoever hating on me probably watching from the bleachers, tryna pop up in the Visa, take a yacht off the marina. You bring a deal to me, don't you ever try to fleece us. I overanalyze shit, read the fine print, and I improvise when I do some things I haven't tried yet. I'm lit, no heat check, really I'm him. Grinding till the night shift, turn to the night swims. Catch a vibe quick on these C-Rock beats, and when I get on,
If you like this pair of Nike shoes, make sure you check out our previous Nike reviews right here.
I'm never tripping off what I can't control.